Hi there, Kira here, and I've got another Wild Hare kit unboxing. So this is my March kit, and I got a deluxe kit again this month. So in my style profile, I said no specific projects at the moment, mostly day-to-day layouts, mini albums, etc. I'd really like the 6x8 Maggie Holmes Flourish paper pad and the floral die cut if you have those items, and a kit based around those. And then I also said, don't tell, but I'm the guest designer for Pink Paisley for February, which you guys already know. So I've already received the entire pick-me-up collection. I've also already received the Flourish ephemera pack and stickers, so I don't really need duplicates of those items. So basically just saying, like, I know there's lots of new stuff out right now, but I have a lot of it already, so I didn't want even more of it because I don't know what I would do with it. So yeah, let's jump in and see what she sent me. So she always writes a little note on our invoices. So this month she said, "Hi Kira, this month I included the Maggie Holmes items you requested, as well as lots of fun textures that complement the colors in her collection. I was paper heavy this month, but included embellies that can stretch out to make many projects. I hope you love the tassels. They're right up your alley. Enjoy, Allison." So first thing here is the specialty paper from the Flourish collection, which is gorgeous. So it's this gold, like a rose gold foil vellum, and it's so pretty, you guys. I love that. Next, from the Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide collection, this paper is called Instinct. It's super pretty, and Pink Fresh Studio always has the thickest papers. I love them. I really like this reverse side, how it kind of fades out. I would almost maybe use it like that, because I really like this kind of blank space at the bottom. But that's cool too, or up. So many options, but I really like this side. This is from the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection, and this paper is called Dazzle. I've used this paper, I've used this side previously, so this side might be fun to use as just a change of pace. From the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection, this paper is called Grandiflora. And I love these yellow roses. I think they're gorgeous and would be gorgeous fussy cut. But I also really like this as a neutral background. This pink and white stripe is really pretty. Also from the Flourish collection, this one's called Fragrant. And it's got these gorgeous, looks like carnations on this side. Oh, and maybe some daffodils. And then a pink and like a purple polka dot. I really like both sides, but of course I'm more drawn to the florals. I just think they're so pretty. That's one of the reasons I love the Flourish collection, is because of all the gorgeous florals in it. This one, ooh, Calliope, is that how you say that? I don't know. Anyways, it's got cameras on the side. It's also from the Flourish collection, and then these really pretty butterflies on this side. This almost reminds me of, what was that collection that it was the We Are Memory Keepers collection? And it kind of had the butterflies that look like this. These are really pretty. These would be pretty fussy cut out too. I also think these would be cool fussy cut. Tough one with that. I like them both. I love this paper. How cute is this? So this one's also from the Flourish collection. It's called Perennial. The reverse side is really cool too. It's got these like scallops. So I really like that, but I'm definitely more drawn to this side. This one is from Turn the Page, Pink Paisley Turn the Page, and it's paper number 14. And I've actually had this paper in a couple kits in the past, but it's a really cool paper, so I'm happy to see it again. This paper I think is super pretty as well, also from the Flourish collection, and this one is called Goldenrod. I'm not so much into this side. I think it's cool, and I think that you could do really cool things with it and maybe use it as a background, but it's not really my style. But this side I love, and I definitely think you could fussy cut these, or I don't know, but I think this is gorgeous. All right, so those are my papers that were included. Well, those are my 12 by 12 papers that were included in this kit, because I also got, yay, the 6x8 paper pad. And I love this paper pad. If you guys have not seen this paper pad yet, it is full of florals. I got part of it in a citrus twist kit last month, and I only got some of the papers, like half the papers, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need all the papers I just got, plus I need the rest of them. So I definitely wanted the entire pad. So let's flip through this really quickly so you can see all the papers included in it. There's gold foiling on some of the papers, which is really pretty. This last page here, this is my favorite paper in this whole book. I already fussy cut all of these flowers out and used them all on layouts already. So I'm excited to have another sheet so I can use more of them. All right, so that's the 6x8 paper pad. Now on to my embellishments. So I've got the, from the Let Your Heart Decide collection, the puffy stickers, which how cute are these? I love, that little hummingbird is so cute, the flowers, the little hearts, look at the little ice cream cone. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, little typewriter. Love it, so many fun elements to use there. These were the tassels that Allison was talking about, and I am so excited to get these. I love these. She's had these in previous collections too, and I think they're so cute, but I love these colors because they're basically my 3 favorite colors, so I love that. Some more baker's twine this month. Never have too much baker's twine. And it is pink, which goes perfectly with this collection. Some sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and these are kind of a peachy color, a clear, like iridescent, and a gold, like a flat gold. They're all flat, but really pretty, so those will be fun to use in this kit as well. Also this decorative trim from the Flourish collection, which I've been dying to get my hands on. I'm obsessed with this, you guys. It's so cute. And look at this cute little thing it's on. I want to just use that on a page because that's so cute. How cute is this trim? That's so pretty. Love it. Love. Cannot wait to use that. And then what I'm super excited about, the ephemera pack with just the florals. So if you guys haven't seen this collection yet, there's 2 ephemera packs. There's a floral ephemera pack, which is this one, and then there's a regular ephemera pack. The regular ephemera pack has gigantic pieces in it, like huge, monstrous, really hard to use ephemera pieces. But these ones are way more manageable. So I'm excited to have these to use in my kit. It also comes with these like gold leaves, which are really neat. Anything with a little additional texture I'm all about. And it looks like they're almost like wire. Oh, so you can bend them. Love that. Okay, so you get those, and then all these floral pieces. Alright, so that's my entire kit. I'm super excited to work with it, and I can't wait to share some process videos with you guys. And I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.